Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find General Management. After tapping on it you will have this right section filled, so let's tap on date and time. Now we do not have a lot of options to customize because we are using automatic date, time and the time zone. So first of all we have to turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on set date and choose the date from the calendar. Tap on done, the same situation with the time, just by swiping change the time and tap on done, it will be immediately applied. Here we can change the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available ones, so simply find yours and tap on it to apply it. Let's go back. What is more, and here we can customize the clock format. Currently we are using the 12-hour one. If you want to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher and it will be of course immediately applied. If you'd like to get back to the previous options, so the automatic options, just tap on those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.